Welcome to our channel where we explore the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Today, we're diving into a thought-provoking question. Will generative AI replace programmers? Generative AI, with its ability to create code and automate tasks, has sparked speculation about the future of programming. Some argue that AI will revolutionize software development, while others believe that human programmers will always be essential. Generative AI has already shown impressive capabilities, from automatically generating code snippets to assisting in debugging and optimization tasks. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and learn from patterns has led to significant advancements in software development. Generative AI has the potential to streamline many aspects of programming by automating repetitive tasks and suggesting solutions to complex problems. However, I believe that human creativity and problem-solving skills will remain crucial in software development. Despite its capabilities, generative AI still has limitations. It relies heavily on the quality and quantity of training data, and its outputs may lack the context and creativity that human programmers bring to the table. While generative AI can automate certain aspects of programming, it's unlikely to replace human programmers entirely. Programming is not just about writing code, it's about understanding user needs, designing elegant solutions, and collaborating with others to create software that meets those needs. So, will generative AI replace programmers? The answer is nuanced. While AI will undoubtedly change the way we approach programming and automate many routine tasks, human programmers will continue to play a vital role in software development, bringing creativity, empathy, and problem-solving skills to the table. Thanks for joining us as we explored the future of programming in the age of generative AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of technology. Until next time, keep coding and innovating.